this is Irina from lalalandcrafts. Welcome back to the lalalandcrafts YouTube channel. I am here today with day 10 of our 18 days of tutorials. If you're just now joining in, there are links in the video description below where you can see the previous tutorials. We're also running a giveaway. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on the videos, you'll be entered into the giveaway for one of 3 $50 gift certificates to lalalandcrafts.com online store. In addition to the YouTube event, we also have an event going on our blog where our design team members showcase their projects for you for even more inspiration. I'll be back with the tutorial. I have all of my layers already cut. Everything is die cut. We'll do some embossing during the video, and all of the products that I'm using today are available on our online store at lalalandcrafts.com, but I'll list all of the links in the video description below for your convenience, and I'll list the dimensions of all of the layers as well, so you don't have to write anything down. You can just click on there and see everything when you need it. First thing, I'm going to grab one of my smaller white layers, and this stencil, this is one of the stencils from Daisy's On My Mind layering stencil set. I'm going to emboss it with my cutting board with the die cutting machine. I have my A plate, my B plate, and the rubber mat. I'm going to put my layer down and cover it with the stencil. Since this has a directional design, I'm going to make sure that my layer is straight onto the under the stencil there. This looks good. I'm going to cover it with my second B plate and run it through the machine twice, one way and then come back. I really adore how this stencil comes out as an embossed design. Looks so pretty. Now, since I have my cuttle bag here, I'm going to do one more thing with it, and this will be for the inside layer. I have my layer here, and I'm going to use our double stitched circles die, and this is the largest die from the set. I'm going to put it blade facing down, facing the paper, but since we are using rubber mat, it's not going to cut, it's actually going to emboss instead. So as you can see, it created this pretty circle with the stitched lines and with the straight lines going all the way around. Just adds another detail. We'll get back to it later. Now, with all of our layers ready, we can start assembling the cards. I'm going to grab my embossed layer and put it onto the gold cardstock, then onto the 3mm foam. Then I have 2 other layers, gold and white. This layer gonna go here and then onto the front of my card. Next, I'm going to get some die cuts from here. This is the circle that I die cut from chipboard and from the white cardstock, and this is from the stitched nested circles die. These 2 circles go together. Then to embellish the card, I have die cut 2 candles, and this die was actually designed for the spa theme, but I always wanted to use it for the Christmas card because they'll make great Christmas candles as well. And I die cut them from chipboard and from the gold cardstock, and as you can see, when you die cut it, it gives you this really pretty detail from the die, and this is all in one, so you don't need to cut and then emboss. Once you die cut it, it will give you this detail. And I have this two little pieces here, and these are the flames that come with the die. I'm going to add the flames onto the candles with liquid glue. So I'm just going to put just a tiny bit of glue on the top of the candles there, and then I'm going to use my wax pick to pick little pieces and put them on. Isn't it pretty? Adorable. Now, to make this more of the Christmas scene, I have my winter branches die cut from white cardstock, and I'm going to align them behind the candles, like somewhere like so. And then these branches I'm going to put behind the circle just to finish off the design. I think this looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach everything to my card. It looks so pretty and festive with just gold and white and all these different textures and elements. I really like how it turned out. And now for the center of the card, we already have two of these layers ready to go. I have another set of the winter branches cut here, so I think I'm going to add them to one side of the circle just to carry the design from the front even more. This still gives you plenty of room to write your sentiment and your greeting here, and I like how it carries the design from the front of the card. Well, this is all from me today, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye for now.